Um, if you're watching this, could you maybe subscribe? It'll really help me out. If not, it's okay. Hope you have a great day.